Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Lamborghini Huracan in Rocket League. The Huracan was offered as part of a special bundle, which included the car, 2 unique decals, and exclusive wheels. Players could acquire this prestigious vehicle by purchasing the bundle directly from the in-game item shop. It was a limited-time opportunity, so timing was key for those looking to add this iconic car to their garage. Keep an eye out for similar future collaborations. The Lamborghini Huracan bundle was quite comprehensive, offering more than just the car itself. It specifically included the sleek Huracan SDO car body, ready for action. You also received 2 distinct Huracan SDO decals to customize your look. To complete the authentic experience, exclusive Huracan SDO wheels and a unique engine audio were part of the package, making your car truly stand out on the field. The Lamborghini Huracan was a limited-time offering, making it a special acquisition for players. It appeared in the Rocket League item shop for a specific, short duration as part of a promotional event. Once that offer concluded, the bundle was no longer directly available for purchase. These types of high-profile collaborations are often one-time opportunities, so players needed to act quickly to secure this exclusive vehicle for their collection. While the Lamborghini Huracan bundle was a limited-time offer, there's always a chance for similar exciting collaborations in Rocket League. Stay updated by checking official announcements and the in-game item shop regularly. Sometimes, popular items or themed events can make a return. However, it's important to note that premium licensed cars like the Huracan are typically not tradable between players, so direct purchase is usually the only way.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.